Ambati Silks, Kanchipuram Saree Store, now in Vijayawada. Exclusive Pattu Sarees, Salwas and Lehengas.
Adiyogi. And the main stage, as we trees joining us. Where they have a few ceremonies to do. If you recall, ladies and gentlemen, in 2017, the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, had unveiled this consecrated, glorious 112-foot face as a tribute to Adiyogi's unparalleled contributions to humanity, which is today the largest of its kind in the world and recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records. The Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore. Sadhguru has also consecrated and established a 112-foot Adiyogi at Sadhguru Sannidhi, Bengaluru, and a 21-foot Adiyogi at the Isha Institute of Inner Sciences in Tennessee, USA. The sounds of Isha chanting in his honor.
Sarva
Minister of Defence Shri Rajnath Singh offering mother soil or Taiman as it is known in Tamil and water to the Sambige plant near the Yogeshwara Linga. Sambige, also known as Shenbagam in Tamil and Champak in Hindi, produces yellow flowers with an intense and intoxicating fragrance. The plant's leaves, bark and flowers are renowned for their medicinal properties and used and prescribed in Ayurveda. The offering of the soil to the Sambige plant is also an expression of our commitment to revitalize and save the world's dying soil. The Honorable Minister of Defence now making an offering of Kailash Tirtha to the Yogeshwara Linga near Adiyogi. Kailash Tirtha is the water collected near the south face of the sacred Mount Kailash. The Yogeshwara Linga was consecrated by Sadhguru through an intense and powerful process of Prana Pratishtha. The tamare or the lotus flower being offered with jasmine flowers. For the first time ever, on this auspicious night of Mahashivratri, you can connect with the Yogeshwara aspect of Adiyogi, which is about union, inclusiveness and liberation, through the Yogeshwara Linga Maha Abhishekam. Sadhguru will offer Maha Abhishekam later tonight, and you can experience and participate in this process from wherever you are through the live stream. The Maha Abhishekam will be conducted in the names of several thousands of devotees who are already registered. The torch being handed over. The start of the Mahayoga Yagna. This symbolizes our commitment to offer yogic sciences irrespective of race, religion, gender, caste and creed to every human being. Sadhguru's vision of raising human consciousness and helping to enhance individuals' mental and physical well-being through yogic tools for transformation has resulted in millions of people benefiting from free yoga programs. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a resounding welcome to this year's chief guest, the Honorable Defence Minister Shri Rajnath Singh and Sadhguru, as they join us on stage marking the beginning of the night-long Mahashivratri celebrations. We also welcome the accompanying dignitaries, the Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Ministers of State and other guests. We begin our Mahashivratri celebrations with the Bhairavi Maha Aarti.